Can you see my lace now? Don't try me.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Jeulia Hair. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. But as always, before we get into the specs of this unit and what I think about it straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since you're pretty, soon as you came in the door, I just wanna chill, got a sack for a store. Married to the money, introduced her to my school. Showed her how to whip and now she remixing for low. She my track queen, let her hit the bando. Baby counting up, watch how far them bands go. We just set it go, talking matching Lambos. I'm 56 a gram, 500 grams though. And I get high with my baby. I just left the mall, I'm getting fly with my baby, yeah. And I get ride with my baby. I be in the kitchen cooking pie with my baby.
Okay, so if I must say so myself, I laid that joint down. You hear me? Woo! Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Jeulia Hair. It is their 13x6 transparent lace front curly wig. It comes in a natural color and the starting price for this unit is $78.46. Now obviously depending on the specs you get for your unit, the price will go up. So let's go ahead and talk about the specs really quick. You can either get this unit in a 13x6 transparent lace or regular lace unit, or you can get it in a 13x4 regular lace unit. When I say regular lace, I mean like a light brown or brown lace, depending on what they offer on the site. This unit also comes in 150 or 180% density. I got mine in 150% density and 18 inches. So my unit is $158.64. But don't worry, they do have their anniversary sale starting on the 8th, so you can get extra money off on top of the coupon code that I already have that will be linked down below as well. So make sure you go ahead and use all them savings, okay? If you happen to be someone who just wants to get this actual curl pattern in a closure wig, you guys know I did a closure wig last week. It does come in bundles in a closure, but you can pay the $5 extra to get them to make the wig for you if you don't want to do it yourself, okay? Look at that, we checking all price points and expertise, okay? Checkmate. Now I just saw them put down the curl of this unit was a little bit tighter, but I did go in and co-wash the unit and then I let it air dry. I don't have any tangling with this unit. However, I'm still getting shedding with this unit when I pull on it. I only got a little bit of shedding during the co-wash. When I'm pulling on it now, I'm mainly getting shedding here in the front. So I'm thinking that's more so because of the pre-plucking that I did. Then when I put it on, I put some mousse in my hair and then I use my Revlon Diffuser to liven up these curls a little bit. As you can see, the hair is a little bit bushier, but I actually wanted that for this look because I told you guys I got this in a 150% density. I normally get my curly units in 180. I like how full it is, so I really want this to be really big. So to do that, I had to use my diffuser. What the? That just popped right off of there. There we go. But you guys know I love my diffuser. It is detachable, so you can still blow dry your hair like normal, okay? So you can just pop that joint on there and you blow dry the hair and it helps with the curls. It makes them bigger and, you know, controls the frizz, things like that. So obviously my light is on back there, so you can see the light kind of shining shining through, which lets me know the hair is not as thick as I would like it to be. But this is definitely more of a natural type of curl, so if you don't like a lot of hair or big hair, this will be just fine for you. Me personally, I like big hair, okay, so 180 will be my ideal, you know, density for a curly unit. This unit did come pre-plucked, but it's very, very beginner pre-plucked, meaning they pluck just enough to get you started, and then if you want to wear that, you can. But I was like, you know what, I did that last time. I didn't pluck it. I showed you guys how I can rock it out the pack, so this time I'm going to go ahead and pluck it. And y'all, I must say I plucked this joint to perfection. I feel so I am so proud of myself, okay? 100 points to me. I am in love with how I plucked this unit and how I laid it down and how I put down my baby hairs. Look at this hairline. Do y'all see this hairline? I did it. Yes, I did it. Yes, I did it on both sides, sis. Based on how I plucked this joint to perfection, you can definitely pull this joint up into like a little ponytail and rock it like that, okay? Okay, sis. And again, if you don't want to pluck your unit, you don't have to, okay? You guys have seen me put my units on plenty of times without plucking any units and still swooping them down, and y'all be quick to say, you laid that joint, sis, so don't be gassing me if it's a lie. So if you guys want to follow suit and do the same thing, okay, do you, boo. I'm there for it. I did go in with some heat on top of here because obviously it is a curly unit, so you want to flatten that out a little bit if you choose to. And then I went in with my concealer and my powder into my parting space to brighten that up, and that's how she's looking, okay? So again, this is 18 inches. It comes down just at my chest, and then this is how that looks from the side, and then this is how it looks to the back. All right, you can definitely pin this up, move the hair down like that, give you a little ponytail vibe. All right, okay, see what I'm doing? What's happening, Captain? This will get you right just in time to go ahead and step outside, okay? Strutting to the mailbox, to the kitchen, to the backyard, to the grocery store. I'm gonna be slaying this hair like it's mine, okay? Flip. This look good, y'all. This, ooh, wait, show the work. Oh, I did that. I did that. You can even put on like a little headband, like y'all, that's cute. It look good. It looks, look at that hairline. Look at the hairline. Can you see my lace now? Don't try me.
Okay. I'm just saying.
Get out of here.
Okay.
He can't see it. He playing games today. She look good, y'all. She look she look good. The direct link for my unit as well as my specs will be listed down below, so you guys can check that out. Don't forget to use my coupon code as well as take advantage of that anniversary sale starting on May 8th. Be sure to save you guys some coins wherever you can, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.